We will use this machine to measure how strong your hands are. You will squeeze the handle 2 times, one practice and one test trial with each hand, while your arm is close to, but not against your side, and bent at a 90-degree angle. The handle won't move, but the machine will show how hard you squeezed. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Let's practice with your left hand first. All right. All right. When I say squeeze, I want you to squeeze hard, but not as hard as you possibly can. Okay?
Okay.
So 3, 2, 1, squeeze. Stop. Good job. Now we're going to do the same thing with your right hand. We're going to practice. So again, when I say squeeze, I want you to squeeze hard, but not as hard as you possibly can. Okay?
Okay.
So you move your arm in a little bit. Okay, great. 3, 2, 1, squeeze. Good. Now we're going to test each hand, beginning with your left hand. When I say squeeze this time, I want you to squeeze the handle as hard as you possibly can. Okay? 3, 2, 1, squeeze. Harder, 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 stop. Good job. Okay, and now we're going to test your right hand. Again, when I say squeeze this time, I want you to squeeze as hard as you possibly can. 3, 2, 1.